How to move image freely in MS Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Word. Then click on Insert at the top and click on Pictures. Click on this device or anywhere you want to insert your picture from. After your picture is inserted, simply click on the Shift key on your keyboard and you will be able to move your picture in this way. Another way what you can do is click on picture format and click on wrap text. In here, click on to front of text. After you click on it, you will be able to move your image freely wherever you want in the page. And this is how to move image freely in MS Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.